Today we have a 06 2.7 Magnum, and we'll be changing the thermostat. So thermostat is way back underneath the power steering pump and the AC. So I don't know if you can see it, but let me get you some light. There's a stud right there, and then there's one on the back side of this thermostat housing. This is a 10 millimeter bolt, but it's a bolt stud, so I advise you to take open end wrench and play around with it. And that pipe is held on with two 10 millimeter nuts, as you can see. Here's one there, one there, there's one on the other side of the housing, and then there's a 10 up here top, right there. Once you do those three, you'll get the two nuts off. That releases the pipe, that chrome pipe right there, and the one at top helps hold the thermostat housing, along with the two studs with the bolt on it, or the nut, I'm sorry. So we put this hose back on for the radiator housing. Next we're about to put on the power steering bracket. This is the best way to get to this thermostat, not underneath, right through here. Put the housing on for the power steering, put the power steering back on, and then the breather right here, and you're done. Thanks for watching again. Will, till you reach your next destination. Then there's your second hole. Two, and then your final hole is down here at the bottom, and your best bet would be to hit it from an angle, so you can probably come over here to the driver's side. Way here at the bottom. Once you get the first two up at the top, the third one, it's not that bad. Don't ever go with that one first. Alrighty? Tighten that down, then we'll put the breather on. Now to put the belt back on, it's good that you just take this belt off the pulley, but in case you forget, you see it goes to the idler, alternator, wraps around, tensioner right here. So we're gonna put it back on. Load it back on. You make sure nothing's touching. All good. And this takes 2 hours to do. So think you want to do it, put 2.5 hours to the side and knock yourself out. Talk to you later.